Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update DynamoDB tables powering no-code apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the DynamoDB service from the list of services available. Once in the DynamoDB dashboard, find the table you wish to update. Click on the table name to open its details. In the Table Details view, locate the Overview tab. Here, you can see the current structure and items within the table. To modify the table structure, click on the Indexes tab if you need to add or remove any indexes. To add a new index, choose Create Index and follow the prompts to set it up. For removing an index, select the index from the list and click the Delete option. If you need to change attributes or secondary indexes, click on the Attributes tab. To add a new attribute, select Add Attribute and define its key and type. If you want to modify existing attributes, click on the attribute name and make the necessary changes. Next, save your changes to ensure they're applied to the table. To update items within the table, navigate back to the Items tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the items in the table. Select the item you want to update by clicking on it. Once the item details load, click on the Edit button. Make the necessary updates to the item's attributes. After making your changes, click the Save button to apply the updates. If you want to add a new item instead of updating, fill in the required fields for the new item. Click Save to add the new item to your table. After you finish updating or adding items, consider testing your changes in your no-code application. Verify that the application reflects the updates in DynamoDB. If you encounter any issues, revisit the previous steps to ensure everything is configured correctly. Regularly updating your DynamoDB tables is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Documentation is available for more advanced configurations and features. Familiarize yourself with the options available to enhance your table's capabilities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.